still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks. Still ain't ran out of no drink in my cup. Still ain't ran out of no gas in my butt. I still need more than enough. I still got bitches more than the fuck. I still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks.
But it's been raining and I haven't had time to install, but here it is. This is what was getting fixed. This is the lower intake manifold that was giving me quite an issue. Let me put it in its right place. I'm going to show you guys exactly what was wrong with it. If you look right over here, this is the SSV that was giving me trouble. Whenever I would tighten the 10mm bolts, this SSV would get stuck. I took it to, I believe the name is, I'm gonna just say T-Rack Performance. They were able to switch out the SSV and now it's working. And that was basically why I haven't been putting the engine back together. Now that it's fixed, we could start along with the process of putting the engine back in. I am going to start tightening up all the bolts, putting the fuel line back together. Here's one of the fuel clip. I'm gonna put that back in and we'll go from there. I'm only a one-man team. It sucks because I don't got anybody holding the camera, but it's all good. So after struggling for at least 10-15 minutes, I finally got this fuel rail clip in. You gotta get it in correctly or you might have a fuel issue because this is not in correctly. There's a little tab that goes in and then you put this blue clip. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little red clip right there that's inside. So what to do next? Okay, so now I'm going to be putting back this I believe it's a thermostat housing that I took off when I was trying to grab the SSV valve, the SSV. Alright people, so I just got done cleaning this, I believe it's called the thermostat housing. Sorry if I'm incorrect because I don't know that much about every specific part on the engine, but this was pretty dirty and I took this off to get to the SSV, which was stuck. Now it's wide open now. I mean, when I mean by wide open, it currently works. It opens and closes. So I'm going to put this back in its place. It belongs right here. And then I'm going to be putting the Mishimoto Thermostat inside and move on to the next thing. Alright, so I moved the OMP aside so I could clean up the leftover debris on here. So now it is it's cleaned up. So now I'm putting this gasket back in its place. And then now we're going to be installing this back in, just like that. And now I gotta look for all the bolts to tighten it up, and then I'll be installing the Mishimoto thermostat. Alright, so now this is the cover to it. I'm going to clean all of this off. This is like dried up coolant, and I'm gonna remove these two cut off hoses. And then you might as well just take a walk with me. Don't fast forward. As of right now, the car is still here, waiting for the engine to go in. It looks like a mess, but trust me, it was worse before. So where are you? No. Oh, there you are, you're hiding. So this right here is the thermostat housing. Alright people, so I opened the box up. Look like a Rubik's Cube. But this is it right here. This is a thermostat that I'm going to be installing. Comes with a little booklet. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna open this bag up. Alright, there it is. I put it back in. So now I'm going to be cleaning this off like I said before, and we're going to be covering up. And then there we have it, the new Mishimoto thermostat. Hopefully it works. And we're gonna move on to the next. So guys, look how rusted this is. All rusted up. But we're gonna continue to remove it. Alright, so I just got done cleaning this out. So I'm going to be installing it right back in. So make sure this pin is aligned with this bump or groove on the thermostat housing. And then next we're just going to put that in there, and then tighten it up. Alright people, so now the thermostat is back inside. So now I gotta look for this bolt because I can't find it. I thought I put it inside the bag, but unfortunately it's not there. So we're going to be, I have to go look for that. And other than that, the thermostat is good. It's in. Thank you, Mishimoto. Appreciate it. And we're on to the next thing. Alright, so I couldn't find the bolt, so I took it off the old thermostat housing that I got. So now we can move on to the next part. I don't know yet. I have to do a little bit of cleaning up, and then we'll see where I go from there.